Hi, I'm Judy Joo. Korean New Year, or Solal, is just around the corner, which is a time to bring family together and enjoy great food. So I've teamed up with Kia to share my ultimate Korean fried chicken recipe, but with a twist. I'm going to cook it just using this, the all-electric Kia EV6. This car can power almost anything with a 3-pin plug. So I'm going to connect my fryer here into this port at the back. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a brine. I'm gonna add warm water, and to that, salt, doenjang. I'm gonna add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Get a workout. Some chopped leeks, onions, can't get away from garlic and ginger, and black peppercorns. And we're gonna let this sit for 24 hours or as long as you have. So the next step is to make our pre-coat. Just gonna add some black pepper to some corn flour, and then I'm just gonna add my chicken into my pre-coat mix. I'm just going to lay them out. And now we are ready to start frying. I've got a batter mix, which is just made from flour, different types of seasonings, and I'm just going to dunk our chicken in there. And you want to hang on to it just for a second before you let go, just to seal it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Smells amazing. So these are looking nice and golden brown. Look at that. And the only thing left is to make a delicious sauce, which I've done using a hob that I've just plugged into my EV6. It's made with gochujang and a bunch of other aromatics, and I'm just going to drizzle it over my chicken. A sprinkle of sesame seeds, just some scallions or spring onions also on top. And that is how you make Korean fried chicken with a car. For other fun and family-friendly Korean recipes, visit kiapressoffice.com, and to learn more about the EV6, head over to the Kia UK website.